السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. وولالكين إسماعيل أبو زيد أو ربو إن ديب أجلس أمر ريفيو كسو بيبوك إذا وان قرتي جبر ولا شيء نولي هذا زينب عبد الله حدي أن بوك جام خير إذا كجت عبتوا بوك إن لوجا حد لايو جبر يرو عايشة لده هو مركز عيد سكول كنا قنيسو حل جلو جرا كورونا فيروس إن سيدا عيدين شيء بوك جام وحوك حد لايا موضوعها كسابسن إن كورونا فيروس كيصير الولد تعالوا sidoo kale wuxuu ku qoran yahay Somali Ingiriis istalentaalinaya misdaba socda in arag wuxuu farxad ama saxiisa gelin karaa qofka Soomaaliga oo tusi karaa in maxay dadkooda ay lagu qoray wax oo dadka maxay ahayd ay ku jiraan dadka buugaagta iyo waxaas lagu daawaco arintaas oo aad u badnayn waa runtii marka caruurteeda ayaan la aqriyay aad ugu heleen in maxay ahayd aad iyo aad waxaan u dhiirigelinayaa in sidaan laga sii wada dadaalka oo la badiyo buugaagta noocan oo kale oo ay noqoto waxyaabo badan oo ku deesho mudan oo aan markaas aan sameeyno in aan dhiirigelinaa bulshadeena in ay noqdaan dad wax barto dad maxay ahayd ka dhex muuqda bulshooyinka kale ee aan ku dhex noolnahay.
Now I'll tell you about the author. Zainab Abdullah is a wife and a mother of 3 wonderful children. She graduated from the University of St. Thomas in 2018 with an MA Special Education Autism and is currently enrolled in the doctor's program in leadership and in education at the University of St. Thomas. She is a founder of Hangul Learning Project. The Hangul Project is dedicated to educating parents, daycare providers, school professionals, and community members to support children with special needs by providing the right support, training, empowerment skills, appropriate interventions, and inclusion. It also provides a welcoming and warm environment where parents, children, and communities feel safe, respected, and supported.
And can you tell us a little bit about this book, Zakia, that you're reviewing?
Well, one of the people that follows, I think my dad or something like that, sent us this book, and it's really thoughtful by Zainab Abdullah M.Ed.
M.E.D. That's her degree.
Okay. Yeah. Good. And it says Aisha Going Back to School During Coronavirus. And then it says it in Somali.
Okay, how do you read that in Somali?
Let's see here.
Take a shot.
Ka
No. How do you say the C in Somali?
Isho
Mm-hmm.
Iskolaka Aye Ku Nukone Sa Hiligam COVID-19.
Nice. Okay, now tell us a little bit more about the book and what the message of the book.
I think it's about this little girl going to school, and she wears a mask and learns all about COVID-19. So let's read the back, because that actually that's like a summary.
Okay.
So let's read that. Okay, it says, Aisha is getting ready to go back to school. Her mother and father are helping her to learn more about the COVID-19 is. More importantly, they teach her how to follow the guidelines to promote safety and healthy practices both in the classroom and on the bus. Our children have many questions about COVID-19. Learn more with Aisha and her parents about how to add just to the new way of life caused by the pandemic. And then it says it in Somali.
Yeah, so everything that's written in English is also says in Somali.
Yeah, like on all the pages here, I'll show you a couple of them. See, it says like this, and then it goes to the bottom one, and it says this stuff, and then the bottom one, so.
What do you think that will do for a child who's learning Somali also?
It will help them learn Somali because you don't have to say it, and you also have to read it. And like even if you know how to speak it, it's like you don't know how to write it and stuff. And like like that type of stuff. And also it'll teach them to be better about coronavirus, and their parents can help them read it, and it'll just answer some of their questions about coronavirus, because some of them only scientists have answers to and their parents don't really know. So I think this will be really helpful.
And what is your last message to the author who was nice enough to send you this book?
Thank you for sending me this book, and I really enjoyed it. I actually read this for one of my Zoom meetings in my classroom, because you get to read a book for about like 20 minutes. And this is the book I chose, and it was the perfect fit, because it was perfect, and I even read this so I could learn more about this author that sent it to us.
All right. Thank you very much. Zaid also read the book. You want to say something about the book to the author?
Yes, thank you for sending us this amazing book about having to deal with COVID and some stuff about COVID. It helps some people learn, and it's cool that we get to share this with people.
Thank you.
sidaas iyo nabadgelyo.